In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player Secret of Mana. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to do two-player co-op gameplay on the PlayStation 4 version of Secret of Mana or the SNES. You will be able to use an additional controller and play together sharing the same screen. The only requirement is that you add at least one additional member in your party. So after you play for a while, roughly 30 minutes to 1 hour, eventually you will get the girl in your party. You will be able to name her whatever you wish, but the main point is that now that you have two members in your party, you can connect an additional controller and the secondary player will be able to control them. So all that you have to do now is connect an additional controller to your platform. Immediately after connecting an additional controller, usually you will be able to play as her right away. So the main controller is going to be used to control the main character and then the secondary controller to control her. Sometimes you might need to press a specific combination of buttons, so if you notice that when you connect the controller and you try moving around it doesn't work, try pressing start or pressing any of the buttons on the D-pad. As long as you have unlocked the girl in your party, you will be able to share the same screen and play together. Any commands that you issue on the main controller will be issued for the main character, and then, as you might expect, any controls on the secondary controller will go over to her. And you will be sharing the same screen. Like I said, if it doesn't work right away, try pressing any buttons on the D-pad. And keep in mind that natively, you can even do 3 controllers on the same screen. So once you get the third character, you can also hit select on either controller to switch between what party member each person is controlling. So make sure that you unlock an additional party member and you will be able to do this. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player Secret of Mana. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.